See how it grows, runs out from itself? Grows from a center spot usually and then runs out from itself. And you want the whole kind of plant like that. Add it to any other one. It's a catalyst herb. So this is going to boost any other formula. Right here, it's growing with ishkanan. So this could be a really great skin formula. So you could have a blend just right here. They grow together because they work together. You could also come over this far, and you now have your wire wisps, and this is an antifungal. So we just talked about skin. Now you've got not just skin, but an antifungal for skin. And the third one would be that purple plant, or fourth one, purple plant over there. This purple plant here, they're both in the Transcodea family, and they're both good for fungus. So in this one area, you could make yourself an incredible antifungal.